Hello, this is Shubhayan Chakraborty from Ahmedabad, and we are gearing up for two matches actually. India Netherlands will be played today in what will be the last league game of the for the Indian cricket team. They have already qualified for the Super 8, and then India will take on South Africa here at the very Narendra Modi Stadium on February 20. So there are a lot of things to talk about when this comes to this particular game, and of course the South Africa game. Of course, in this match, Ryan ten Doeschate, the former Netherlands captain, will be in the Indian dugout this time around. So there will be a bit of emotions for Ryan ten Doeschate as well. But coming to the Indian team, will they make any changes to the playing 11? That is the big question. This is perhaps their last opportunity to try out things, whether they want to rest someone like a Jasprit Bumrah or even a Hardik Pandya, that remains to be seen. And of course, they have not even tried out Washington Sundar, who even missed out the five T20I series against New Zealand due to the injury. So, will the Indian team prefer to give game time to Washington Sundar ahead of the Super 8 stage? You never know whether Washington Sundar could be required in the later stages of the tournament when the pitches actually start moving out. So it is important that Washington Sundar also gets a bit of a game time ahead of the Super 8 stage and the knockout stage of this T20 World Cup. And when it comes to the spin bowling department or pace bowling department, Arshdeep Singh missed out on the game against Pakistan due to the surface, due to the pitch in Colombo, and Kuldeep Yadav got that chance. But here in Ahmedabad, the Pacers have done really well, especially with the cutters and the slower variations. The Pacers have actually picked up wicket and have been economical here in Ahmedabad. So, will the Indian team give a nod to Arshdeep Singh in the playing 11 in place of Kuldeep Yadav? That is also a question that is doing the rounds. And of course, there's an option of playing Kuldeep Yadav and resting Jasprit Bumrah while playing Arshdeep Singh in place of Bumrah. So that is also a permutation combination which is available for the Indian team. And when it comes to this particular venue, Narendra Modi Stadium, it has been one of the high scoring venues in this T20 World Cup. India have so far scored 200 plus runs only in one of their games, that was against Namibia recently. And after all the chatters around the 300 run mark, 250 runs in this particular tournament, the Indian batting unit, of course, that is due to the conditions of the pitch, dimension that they have really not gone pretty all out in their batting as well. So for this Indian team, for someone like Abhishek Sharma, who is yet to open his account in the T20 World Cup after back-to-back ducks, this is a perfect opportunity to get going and show other teams that the ultra aggressive backup is still there in the Indian cricket team. They have been very flexible, they have been tactically very good in terms of reading the pitch. In Mumbai, they limited the conditions which they accepted after the match, but in Colombo, they went about their business in a typical clinical style and actually led the pitch to the highest score in an India-Pakistan team in the T20 World Cup. But here in Ahmedabad, with the run rate being at around 9.5 per over in this T20 World Cup, the Indian team for someone like Abhishek Sharma, Virendra Sehwag, Tilak Verma, Surya Yadav, they have the opportunity to get going and play an all-out game of attack. For the Indian team management, it's also an opportunity for us to try someone like a Rick Singh, Akshar Patel up in the order to give them some more batting time out there in the middle to the Super 8 stage begin. So yeah, after a few hours we will see the Ahmedabad Narendra Modi Stadium back to support when the Indian fans come up in numbers to support Indian team in this last and final stage of the match against Netherlands before they move on to the Super 8 stage. So yeah, will India go with the same template with the proper playing 11, or will they do some experimentation with the Netherlands badge and the qualifications? That is, do let us know what you think.